Shirley.
Alright, so hi everyone. Hi guys. Good morning. Okay, so did you see our group of pigeons? Did you know that the pigeons were used as a messenger to carry out message for friends, families, and loved ones? Now, ladies and gentlemen, relax and enjoy because our flying colored friends are going to show us amazing tricks, awesome sounds, guest participation, important environmental message. And of course, we are more on education, conservation, and entertainment. So now the question is, are you ready to be amazed with our flying friends? Alright, so to start with, let me call my partner here in stage, Miss Debbie. Hi ma'am. To welcome our blue and gold bako named Amigo. Hi Amigo. So now Amigo originated from South America and he inhabited in the rainforest of Brazil. And by the way, Amigo is a very responsible bird and he loves to see his environment clean. Now let's see what Amigo will do. Okay, come on buddy. Good bird. So first, you pick up the plastic cap, come on, open up. And drop it inside. Okay, now for the second one buddy. And drop it inside. Good bird. Okay, now, last one. Open the beak and drop it inside. Now see if the bird can do what that put your trash in the trash bins because we all know godliness. Okay, well I guess Amigo together with his flying feathered friends has something to tell us. What do you want to say to them, buddy? So welcome to Cebu Safari's Bird Show. Now ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, here comes our flying macaws. So here are two blue and gold macaws named Kyle. Hi Kyle. And Carl, and wait, there's more. Please come out, buddies. Here you are. Okay. So we have a total of 6 blue and gold macaws named Harry, Harvey, Tony, Matt, Carl, and Carl. And our green wing macaw named Ringo. Okay, say hi everyone. So by the way, macaws are very adaptive birds. So whatever environment they are in, it becomes quite normal for them. And if they were surrounded with many people, they will accept. Their diet, they love to eat varieties of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. And they also have a powerful beak that can crack a hard-shelled nuts. So in fact, we have a total of 370 species of parrots around the world. And of course, the macaws are the largest. Okay, well I guess they're going back home to get their food. So a round of applause for flying macaws. Now ladies and gentlemen, for our next bird is a very special, intelligent, and of course a handsome bird. But I need your help to call his name. Everybody say Jumbo. Louder, please say Jumbo. Okay, now Jumbo, please come out. Here you are, okay. Hi buddy. Okay, face the crowd. Alright, so this time buddy, I want you to wave at them. Can you wave back? Hi. Good bird. Okay, one more. Wave at them. Come on. Alright. So macaws have a very long tail and feathers that can grow up to 3 feet from their head to tail. And their tail can reach up to 2 feet. Now Jumbo is going to show his beautiful tail. Now buddy, can you turn around? Turn around. Good bird. 1, 2, last one. 3. Okay. So we can see most of the colors outside their body and less color under its wing. Now Jumbo is going to show his beautiful wings. Everybody say wings. Good bird. Okay, one more buddy say wings. Alright. So macaws' feet are zygodactylous, meaning they have 2 toes that points forward and 2 toes that points backward. And they also use their beak to hold on things and climb. Now as you can see, Miss Debbie, she has a ground nut. She will place it inside the plastic basket and that's a reward for Jumbo. Now let's see how Jumbo will get his reward. Okay, pick it up buddy. Okay, so he carefully lifts up the plastic basket and good bird gets his reward. So we are using a reward system to recompense the intelligence and efforts of our birds. And as what I've said earlier, the Jumbo is a very special and intelligent bird. Do you want to know why? Because Jumbo loves to go to school, to the bird school. Alright, so we prepared 2 tests for Jumbo. First, we will be having a here 5 animal pictures: the zebra, tiger, snake, horse, and the camel. And I want you to choose 1 animal picture only. Okay, so what will you choose? Louder, please. Okay, so I hear tiger with Miss Jan. So Mr. Irvin is preparing the jumbo letters. Let's have a short interview together with Miss Debbie. Okay, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Good morning. How are you?
Hi.
Doing great. Alright, so what are Jumbo's favorite foods? Varieties of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Okay, thank you, Mr. Irving. Now, buddy, just take a look at the picture carefully and what is the spell of the tiger. Okay, so first letter. So excited. So Jumbo, pick up the letter I. So next letter, buddy. Okay, good bird. So Jumbo, pick up the letter C. Now, for the third letter, what do you choose? Alright, okay. Now, for the fourth letter. So Jumbo, pick up the letter E. Now, for the last letter, buddy, what do you do it? Okay, good bird. So Jumbo, pick up the letter R. So the tiger spells T-I-G-E-R. Is it correct? Of course. Okay, well, I guess it's too easy for Jumbo, right? So now let's have a mathematical test in addition form. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to choose 2 numbers between 1 to 10. So first, this side answer, give me 1 number. Hand gesture lang. Come on, 5. Okay, let's have 5. How about this side, higher than 5? Let's have 6. 5 and 6 with Mr. Irving. Okay, so now Miss Debbie, what are Jumbo's favorite subjects?
English and math.
Alright, English and math. So where did Jumbo go to school?
University of Cebu Safari.
University of Cebu Safari. Now, Miss Debbie, where did Jumbo originally came from?
South America.
South America, but you think he'll also stay here in the Philippines?
Yes.
Yes, of course. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Irving. Now, buddy, 5 plus 6 is equals to. Now, let's see how good he is at math. So, first number, what will you choose? 1. Okay, so Jumbo, pick up the number 1. Jumbo, pick up number 1. So now, 5 plus 6 is equals to 11. Okay, so is it correct? Alright, so a round of applause for Greenery Makuning, Jumbo. Thank you, buddy. So at this moment, ladies and gentlemen, I need 2 volunteers, a kid and adult volunteer. So we have there our volunteer staff, Ate Pizza, so she will give you advice or instructions what will you do. So make sure nga ang bata is dili mahadlok sa bird, okay? Alright. Alright, so I see here. Hi. Hi, Ate. Hi. I see here. Hi. I'm here. I see here, Ate. Okay. Okay, so you're not afraid of